Here we are looking at the notification panel, where all alerts raised by the Devtron AI agent are available. At the very top, I can see an alert for the payment gateway service. The agent is forecasting that CPU will start throttling in the next 6 hours. This is flagged as a high-severity alert on the prod cluster. Clicking into the alert, I can see the agent's thought process. The Devtron agent has analyzed historical CPU usage trends, spotted the upward pattern, and predicted that throttling is imminent if no action is taken. It has also provided a step-by-step reasoning trail, so I can clearly understand why this alert was raised and what's about to happen. Not only does the agent forecast the problem, but it also suggests a recommended configuration change to remediate the issue. Here you can see the before and after comparison. The agent is advising us to update the replica count, min replicas, max replicas, and target CPU utilization percentage. As an operator, I can review this configuration and decide whether to apply it. After reviewing the recommended configuration, I can choose to apply it to update the deployment or reject it if no changes are needed. Once I click Approve and Deploy, Devtron immediately triggers a deployment with the updated configuration. The alert is now addressed proactively, meaning the throttling issue has been avoided before it could impact production traffic. From this screen, I can also continue monitoring the application health, CPU, memory, throughput, and latency metrics to validate the fix. With predictive alerts, Devtron AI not only helps me see problems before they happen, but also provides one-click remediation, reducing firefighting and ensuring smoother production operations.